Finance students, we are now in week 5, so we're quickly approaching the end of the course, but this week we do have your first equivalent annual cost paper. I've put some directions out there, a video to help you calculate, and again, pick something you're interested in doing some research on. I put in the mini lecture this week kind of an example of a car. I've had students in the past do cars where they compare two new cars, and if you go to edmunds.com, in that website, if you look at the car, you'll find they'll have like a true cost to own, but I would not include depreciation or any finance charges. So just include the explicit cost of maintaining that car each year, whether it's insurance, it's gas, it's maintenance, and also make the assumption that you're just buying this car outright, you have the cash, so you're just really looking at the actual cost each year. And it's okay if you want to do 5 years to 5 years to make a comparison, but include some opportunity cost, maybe perhaps 6%, as to help you calculate that equivalent annual cost. So, but do send me an email if you have questions on that. We have a brief forum discussion. I want you to go out there, go to the Baker University Library website. I put a link in there, subject guides, to help you with some information to find for your paper, your company analysis, or at the end of the presentation, we'll say. And just provide something you found interesting that you might use. No need to respond to anybody this week, but just kind of share information with fellow students. Also, we have chapter 12 and 13. And first chapter deals with degree of operating leverage, degree of financial leverage, degree of combined leverage. These are kind of dealing with like break-even points, if you will. How many units do I have to sell before I just cover my fixed cost? Or how much do I have to really sell in true economic sense to get a return for my investors, a proper return on that capital? Also, you look at some dividend theory in chapter 13, why corporations pay different dividends. The thing you got to remember is that management probably wants to make sure they can actually pay a dividend. They're hesitant to increase dividends because they want to make sure that at least they can keep that dividend consistent. So, well, I will be in Houston for a little bit of the week, but do send me an email. We'll be checking email every day, but otherwise have a great week and we'll talk to you soon.